Cody do. Cody do. Want this? Oh, we got the hiccups. We gotta get rid of the hiccups. Here, take this and I'll go get you something for the hiccups. Okay. Hiccups. Oops, goodness. Okay, I gotta go get you something for your hiccups. So you can sit right here.
All the cakes were spoiled, but Thomas still didn't notice. He was too busy thinking about the next bit of Pumpkin's track.
A drink of water? Get those. Help with the hiccups? No?
If I take this track, it will be the bumpkiest track on the whole of Soapwork. If I bounce along the track, perhaps that sound will soon come back. The sound that makes me smile and giggle when I pump on tracks that jiggle.
Rattle, rattle, shake, shake, jiggle the lemonade. Pop, 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 pop the corks. Then Thomas saw James.
Okay, sweetie.
James
Want some water?
was taking the children to the picnic.
Take a drink of water.
James, isn't this noise the funniest noise you've heard?
But James didn't think it was funny at all when a cork bounced off his
And I'll go get your lunch ready, okay?
Flop my
Daddy, I'm gonna leave that water in case you use it.
Then there was trouble. The popping corks hit the signal. He was so surprised, he pulled the wrong lever. The tracks changed. James was sent into a siding. James bumped the bumpers. Luckily, no one was hurt. But still, Thomas didn't notice. He was having a wonderful time. At last, Thomas arrived at Whispering Woods Hall. Sir Topham Hatt wasn't happy.
Thomas, you have caused confusion and delay. Mr. Bubbles has lost his nose. Now he will be late. When Emily arrived to pick up the cakes, they were